cozied up on a chilly night. Fire crackles, sparking light. Sitting quiet, lost in thought. In this corner, trouble's not. Soft guitar chords gently play. In this haven we will stay. Feel the warmth seep through our bones, hearing cozy silent tones. In these cozy corners we find peace. World outside can just release. Wrap ourselves in simple dreams by the fire with its gleams. Outside's cold, but in here warm. Curled up safe from any storm. Whispers fill the scented air. Here it's just us in our lair. Days are rushing, nights are slow. In this place we let time go. Lost in moments, hearts align. Here we're free from the grind. Soft and steady, pure and true. This is where I share with you. Every thought and every hope gently sways like smoky rope. In these cozy corners we find peace. World outside can just release. Wrap ourselves in simple dreams by the fire with its gleams. Outside's cold but in here warm. Curled up safe from any storm. Whispers fill the scented air. Here it's just us in our lair. Days are rushing, nights are slow. In this place we let time go. Lost in moments, hearts alight. Here we're free from the grind. Soft and steady, pure and true. This is where I share with you. Every thought and every hope gently sways like smoky rope.